All right, meteorologist Dean Davison. I'm with the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. We're going to talk, believe it or not, about what's going to be just other than cold air. We're not going to see much in the way of bad weather. A slight chance of a shower late Sunday night. We'll show you that in the 5-day here. The new 5-day, as you'll see, we actually have I was able to get my hands on stuff that can actually produce these 5-day forecasts. But anyway, you want to look at it. We got freeze warnings. That includes Roanoke, D.C., Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio. Freeze advisories further south. You see, a lot of these locations in winter weather advisories across the country. So Mother's Day, it's actually going to warm up. It's chilly today, but it will warm up. So our 5-day forecast, and this is something a little bit different, a little bit new. Well, you'll see Sunday we have sunny skies, 64 degrees, 68 on Monday, sunny on Tuesday, sunny on Wednesday, sunny on Thursday, with 73 and 75. And the temperatures will go up by next weekend. We will have, as week goes on, I'll update this. And I have to adjust a little bit the development of this, but I want to show this is actually the 5-day forecast. Actually, it's a Motion 5-day. It's pretty awesome. So we got our hands on some actual software that I can put the 5-day up here, and I think there's a 7-day graphic too, so I might play around with that also. Start putting lows, things like that. But as you see, the weather is actually looking nice over the next week or so. So enjoy it. Make sure you're nice to your mom on Mother's Day, and we'll see you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.